This is a videotape inspection with the 2005 Fadal VMC 4525HT, machine number 345607. This machine's equipped with 10,000 RPM, spindle, twin arm side mount ATC, 4 meg expanded memory, high torque motor, rigid tapping. It also has the AC motors. It's got the Fadal multiprocessor CNC control. What we'll go ahead and do is walk around the machine a little bit. Got the side panel off. Get a good shot inside. Also does have the spindle chiller, the electrical cabinet. Serial tag. Serial number is 012005108325, VMC 4525HT, year 2005. There's the chiller. It does also have the internal transformer. Go ahead and walk around and move the machine around. Go ahead and jog things around here. X. Y. Z. Go ahead and do a couple tool changes. Spindle at 1,000 RPM. $3,000. $5,000. $8,000. $10,000 RPM. This concludes the videotape inspection of the 2005 Fadal 4525HT, machine number 345607.